Hello guys, it's Alex and this is just a quick video on the VW Scirocco on the side mirror replacement. As you can see, I got a new unit that I bought on eBay. It only cost me about 11 or 12 pounds. So the issue I'm having is the vibrating mirror, which is quite close to coming off. As you can see, that's what it's like to vibrate. So it's quite easy to replace it. All you need obviously to make sure that you got the right one, and to take it off, all you have to do is just pull it to one side. Get your fingers behind there, just pull it off. There you go, that's off. And as you can see, there is two contacts there. That's for the heated mirror, so all you have to do is disconnect them. That's that off. So here I got the new one, and I got the contact points slightly different place because it's obviously aftermarket one. But as long as they go on, you might have to tighten them up a little bit, but they should go on perfectly. There you go. That one's slightly loose. Just swap them. Yeah, so that's them on. And all you have to do is just push it back on, straighten that up a little bit, and just press it all evenly. Don't press on one side because you end up cracking it. So press it all on, it clicks in, and just tap it on each side to make sure it's not loose. And that's it guys, that's all done. So just check on your controller if the motor is working. And that's that done. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more, comment below if you want any more videos, and have a nice day. Thank you.